Welcome to 2021. We're going to do a project today on a shoe rack bench, and this is going to go next to our back door where we usually enter the house. My measurements on this one, I made it 4 foot long, but you can do that based on however big you need for your space. Unfortunately, my miter saw will not cut a 2x10, which is what I'm using here, all the way through, so I have to flip them, and it's a little bit of work. Of course, we're using pocket holes here because pocket holes are strong and they are easy to do. I got the Craig K4 jig before Christmas to help out because I'm doing more easy projects like this around the house, just little pieces of furniture, those sorts of things. Pocket holes make it easier, and of course this thing helps make it a lot easier than the one I had before, which was just the single pocket hole jig. Trying to get everything squared up and get it nice and tight there, and we'll be doing joinery on about 6 different pieces here with the pocket holes. This is the other end, and there'll also be 2 pieces in the middle to form a total of 4 cubbies for shoes. And I'll put the plan for this in the description so you can see exactly how long the pieces were and what type of wood I used here, but everything that I used was a 2x10. This little Milwaukee angled driver is really awesome for tight spaces where you can't fit your whole drill in. My camera was not recording when I stained, so I've already stained the whole thing. I used American walnut stain, and I'm just going back over here with some of my favorite General Finishes top coat, and I believe this is a satin finish, and I'll do a couple of coats of this, and that should be a pretty durable finish for this little bench. if you enjoy projects like this, be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can keep you up to date. We post a couple of times a month, and we're planning on stepping that up a little bit. So please subscribe, and we look forward to your comments as well. There it is, the finished construction, and I guess I was wrong, it's 3 cubbies.